You're looking for an article of approximately 1,500 words detailing the 12 most important reasons for daily exercise. I can certainly provide that for you. Here's a comprehensive look at why incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine is paramount for a healthy and fulfilling life. The power of movement. 12 compelling reasons why daily exercise is non-negotiable for a thriving life. In an increasingly sedentary world where digital screens dominate our attention and convenience often trumps physical exertion, the importance of daily exercise has never been more critical. While the allure of a quick fix or a magic pill for health persists, the truth remains: consistent physical activity is a cornerstone of well-being, a powerful antidote to a myriad of modern ailments, and a catalyst for a longer, more vibrant life. Beyond the superficial goal of weight loss, the benefits of daily exercise permeate every facet of our physical, mental, and emotional existence. Here are 12 of the most compelling reasons why making movement a daily priority is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. 1. Robust cardiovascular health, the engine of life. Perhaps the most widely recognized benefit of regular exercise is its profound impact on cardiovascular health. Our heart, a tireless muscle, becomes stronger and more efficient with consistent physical activity. Daily exercise lowers blood pressure, reduces LDL or bad cholesterol levels, while increasing HDL or good cholesterol levels, and improves circulation. It helps prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, thereby significantly reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular events. A strong, healthy heart means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to every cell in your body, optimizing overall bodily function and energy levels. Engaging in aerobic activities like brisk walking, running, swimming, or cycling daily trains your heart to pump more blood with less effort, ensuring your body's most vital engine runs smoothly for years to come. 2. Weight management and metabolic health, a balanced equation. Exercise is a cornerstone of effective weight management, working in tandem with a balanced diet. It burns calories, which contributes to creating a calorie deficit necessary for weight loss. More importantly, consistent exercise, particularly strength training, helps build and maintain muscle mass. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. This boosts your basal metabolic rate, making it easier to manage your weight long term. Beyond just the number on the scale, daily exercise also improves metabolic health by enhancing insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It's not just about shedding pounds, it's about optimizing your body's ability to process energy efficiently. 3. Enhanced mood and mental well-being, the natural antidepressant. The profound impact of exercise on mental health is increasingly recognized. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, neurochemicals in the brain that act as natural pain relievers and mood elevators. This runner's high isn't exclusive to runners. It can be experienced after any moderate to intense physical activity. Daily exercise also reduces levels of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, helping to alleviate feelings of anxiety and promote relaxation. For individuals struggling with depression, exercise can be as effective as some forms of therapy or medication, providing a sense of accomplishment, improving self-esteem, and offering a healthy outlet for stress and negative emotions. It's a powerful tool for cultivating resilience and maintaining emotional equilibrium. 4. Improved sleep quality, restorative rhythms. Struggling with restless nights? Daily exercise might be the most potent natural sleep aid available. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster, achieve deeper and more restorative sleep, and wake up feeling more refreshed. Exercise helps regulate your circadian rhythm, your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. The energy expenditure during the day signals to your body that it needs to rest and recover. However, timing is key. Avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime, as the stimulating effects can sometimes interfere with sleep. Opt for morning or afternoon workouts for optimal sleep benefits. 5. Stronger bones and muscles, building a resilient body. As we age, bone density naturally declines, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Weight-bearing activities like walking, running, dancing, and resistance training, like lifting weights, using resistance bands, put stress on bones, stimulating them to become denser and stronger. This is crucial for maintaining skeletal integrity and reducing the risk of falls later in life. Similarly, resistance training builds and preserves muscle mass, which is vital for strength, mobility, and preventing age-related muscle loss or sarcopenia. Strong muscles also provide better support for joints, reducing the risk of injuries. 6. Boosted immune system, your body's defense shield. Moderate daily exercise can significantly bolster your immune system, making your body more resilient against common illnesses like colds and flu, and potentially reducing the risk of more serious infections. Physical activity promotes the circulation of immune cells, allowing them to patrol the body more effectively and detect pathogens. It also reduces inflammation, a factor linked to many chronic diseases and impaired immune function. While excessive, intense exercise can temporarily suppress the immune system, consistent, moderate activity acts as a protective shield, enhancing your body's ability to fight off invaders. 7. Enhanced energy levels and stamina, fueling your day.
Water is fundamental to all life on Earth, and for humans, it's the most crucial nutrient. Our bodies are composed of approximately 50 to 80% water, with higher percentages in men and decreasing with age for both genders. This ubiquitous substance participates in virtually every bodily function, from the molecular level to the systemic, making adequate daily intake paramount for optimal health and survival. How much water is correct for drinking per day? The seemingly simple question of how much water to drink daily often receives a complex answer. It depends. While the common advice of 8 glasses a day, roughly 2 liters, serves as a general guideline, individual fluid needs vary significantly based on a multitude of factors. These factors include gender. On average, adult men require more fluid than adult women. The U.S. National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine recommend an adequate daily fluid intake of about 15.5 cups, or 3.7 liters, for men, and 11.5 cups, or 2.7 liters, for women. These recommendations include fluids from water, other beverages, and food. Age. Fluid requirements change throughout life. Infants 0 to 6 months get their water from breast milk or formula, around 0.7 liters per day. From 7 to 12 months, this increases to about 0.8 liters, including fluids from complementary foods. Children and adolescents have varying needs, generally increasing with age and body size. For example, boys aged 14 to 18 years might need around 2.7 liters of total water, 1.9 liters as fluids, while girls in the same age group might need 2.2 liters total, 1.6 liters as fluids. Older adults are at a higher risk of dehydration due to a blunted thirst sensation and certain health conditions, so consistent fluid intake is especially vital. Activity level. Physical activity significantly increases water loss through sweat. Individuals who exercise intensely or for prolonged periods, or those engaged in manual labor, will require substantially more fluid to compensate for these losses. Athletes in particular need to focus on strategic hydration before, during, and after workouts. Climate and environmental conditions. Living in hot or humid environments or at high altitudes increases fluid needs due to increased perspiration and insensible water loss through breathing. Similarly, exposure to extremely cold temperatures can also lead to increased water loss. Health status. Certain health conditions can impact fluid requirements. For instance, fever, vomiting, diarrhea, and infections can lead to rapid fluid loss, necessitating increased intake. Conversely, some conditions like kidney disease or heart failure may require fluid restriction, but this should always be managed under medical supervision. Pregnancy and breastfeeding also significantly increase a woman's fluid needs, with recommendations often going up to 2.3 to 2.6 liters of fluids per day for pregnant women, and even higher for breastfeeding women to support milk production. Diet. The foods we eat contribute to our overall fluid intake. Many fruits and vegetables, such as watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges, have high water content and can contribute significantly to daily hydration. Medications. Some medications, particularly diuretics, can increase urine output and lead to greater fluid loss, requiring a higher water intake. Conversely, certain medications might cause fluid retention. General guidelines and listening to your body. While specific numbers provide a starting point, the most practical approach to ensuring adequate hydration involves thirst as a cue. Drink when you feel thirsty. Your body's thirst mechanism is a primary indicator of hydration needs. However, it's important to note that by the time you feel thirsty, you may already be mildly dehydrated. Urine color is a good indicator of hydration status. Pale yellow or straw-colored urine usually indicates good hydration, while dark yellow or amber urine suggests a need for more fluids. Consistent sipping. Don't wait until you're parched. Sip water consistently throughout the day, rather than trying to chug large amounts at once. Keeping a reusable water bottle handy can be a helpful reminder. Beyond plain water. While plain water is the best choice for hydration, other fluids like milk, clear broths, and decaffeinated teas contribute to your daily intake. Water-rich fruits and vegetables also play a significant role. Caution with sugary and caffeinated drinks. While some caffeinated beverages like coffee and tea can contribute to fluid intake, excessive consumption of caffeinated or sugary drinks, soda or fruit juice with added sugar, can have counterproductive effects. Sugary drinks add unnecessary calories, and while caffeine has a mild diuretic effect, the fluid consumed usually outweighs this. However, large amounts of caffeine can lead to headaches and other issues. Alcohol is a diuretic and should not be considered a hydrating beverage. The critical importance of drinking water. Water is not merely a thirst quencher. It is an active participant in virtually all physiological processes essential for life. Its importance cannot be overstated, and even mild dehydration can impair numerous bodily functions. Here's a detailed look at why drinking enough water is crucial. Regulates body temperature. Water has a high specific heat capacity, allowing it to absorb and release heat slowly. This property enables the body to maintain a stable internal temperature regardless of external conditions. When the body overheats, for example, during exercise or in hot weather, it releases water through sweat. As sweat evaporates from the skin, it carries away heat, cooling the body down. Without sufficient water, this vital cooling mechanism becomes inefficient, leading to heat exhaustion or even heat stroke. Transports nutrients and oxygen. Water is the primary component of blood, which acts as the body's transportation system. Blood carries essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, glucose, hormones to every cell and tissue in the body. It also transports waste products away from cells to organs responsible for their elimination. Adequate hydration ensures optimal blood volume and viscosity, allowing for efficient circulation and delivery of these vital substances. Lubricates joints and protects tissues. The cartilage that cushions our joints contains a significant amount of water, around 80%. Water acts as a lubricant, reducing friction between bones and allowing for smooth, pain-free movement.
It also forms protective cushions around organs and tissues, including the brain and spinal cord, safeguarding them from shock